So in this Wise tutorial video, I will be showing you how to share your referral code here on Wise. So the simplest way is once you open up the Wise app, if you're on the home screen here, to go to the top right and where it says earn $125, just go ahead and select that. Once you're on this page right here, you're going to be on the referral page where you can go ahead and share your link right here. So you can copy it, you can press share Wise at the bottom. That is the first way and the simplest way, is just to go ahead and access your link this way, copy it, share it with people, and then you can share your referral code that way. Another way you can do it as well is to go to the home page right here, go to the top left to where your initials are or where your logo is, and then go ahead and select that option. Then once you're on this page right here, if you were to scroll down a little bit to where it says actions and agreements, the first option is referrals. You can just go ahead and select that option. It'll then bring you to this page right here where there's a bunch of different options. There's refer and earn, track referrals, enter referral link, etc. We just want to share our referral code, so we'll just go ahead once again and press refer and earn $125. It'll then bring you back to the exact same screen where you can go ahead and share your referral link, copy it, share it with people, and just go from there. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to share your referral code with people here on Wise. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.